So good morning. How are you?
Good morning. I'm exceptionally well and thanks for your kind concern. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also feeling great and thank you so much for your kind concern. Where are you from?
Since we meet first time, first of all, I say my intro. I have from Gujarat, and if I talk about my education, I done graduation in English literature. Apart from, I also done MCA and PGDCA. Now I'm a homemaker, home tutor, and YouTuber. I blessed with one son. That's about me. Please tell me about yourself.
Okay. So yes, if I'm talking about my introduction, so I am Anu. Basically, I'm from Bihar, but I was brought up in Delhi and right now I live in Greater Noida. I have completed my graduation and post-graduation political science subject. And if I'm talking about my hobbies, so there are many hobbies like dancing, stitching, traveling, and nowadays connect with different people on video call. So in this way, I'm also enjoying, and yeah, that's all about my side.
Okay.
You have?
I have one kid. I have one kid.
Okay, what is
He
the
is a
age?
boy and he is a 5 years old.
Okay, okay, that's great.
What about you?
Yeah, I have a one toddler. She is 15 months old.
Oh,
Yeah, so
okay.
according to her, I manage all the things, and I'm waiting. I feel like that maybe you will come or not.
No, no, no. Because after that, I have one session. I had one session. I took one session. So it start lately. So I confirm use. I have 50 minute lets.
Mhm.
That's
So
why.
do you take everyday session?
Yeah. Nowadays, I take a regular session because now that time my son goes to school, so it is
Hmm.
easy for me to attend the session. That's why.
Yes, yes,
Mhm.
that's great. And how long have you been running your YouTube channel?
Just today ago, I started my YouTube channel.
Okay, okay, yeah,
Mhm.
that's great. Yeah, recently I'm also starting where I'm going with consistency last 1 month.
Yeah.
So yes.
Okay.
But
So please tell me about your journey.
yes, actually I started my YouTube channel just because of learning purpose. Because I'm a fond of making video. So
Mm.
that's why I thought that if I create my channel, so I will go with consistency and I will enjoying in this
Okay.
process. So that is why I created my channel. And yes, definitely just because of learning purpose I started. So here I'm learning and enjoying both of them.
Okay.
But it is not cup of tea for me for having a conversation on a regular basis. So I'm not having a session on a regular basis.
Okay.
It is
Because
totally
you
depending
have a
on my
little baby,
time
so.
schedule. Yes, yes, yes.
Mhm.
If
Okay.
it is come in my comfort zone, then I am having session. Otherwise, I'm just do a short video, uploading my short video, and
Okay.
yes,
It is also good.
because it's take less time as compared to session or
Yeah,
long
of
video.
course. If it take the time of session, after that uploading and editing, make thumbnail, so it takes
Yes, it's
too
very
much
long
time.
process.
Because in a
Yes, yes.
beginning, now I attend one two session. After that, after that I edit and I make thumbnail. After that I update. So it takes so much time.
But yes, but it is very, creative work. So in this way, we are enjoying as well
Yeah, of course I
because
also
we
enjoy
learn
a
new
lot.
new things.
Yeah, of course, I enjoy a lot. But in initial stage, it take too much time. After that, we have habitual to do all the things. If after that, it is a cup
Mm-hmm.
of tea for us. So
Yes, initially days I also felt like that I don't know about how to make thumbnail. It is very difficult process
yeah,
and
yeah.
editing as well. But when I came across and start learning that how to do, now I feel very comfortable. I make thumbnail easily,
Yeah,
and apart from editing as well,
yeah, yeah.
it's not take much time if
Mm.
I'm editing the shorts video. So
Yeah, of
it is
course.
come in my comfort zone and it has become a piece
Yeah,
of
of
cake for
course.
me. So that's why.
In initial 1 week took meets difficulty. After that, we have habitual to do all the things. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. So does he speak English, your kid? Your
Uh,
kid does
Uh,
speak English?
no, not every time, but sometime I try to speak because he doesn't like to speak whole word means in English. So I
Hmm.
always try to speak some word English with him. So he is
Mm-hmm.
also interested.
Yes, yes, yes. In this way, when you are going to speak, so in this way, our tongue fluctuate whenever we
Yeah.
are speaking new words.
Mhm.
So initially days, it's take time, especially for kid. But later on, when they become habitual, then they will not face a problem. They start very smoothly.
Yeah, of course. Mhm.
Yes, any other language. If we are initially days, we have to suffer
Mhm.
when we are going to pronounce this word, but
Yeah.
later on it is become easy.
Yeah, yeah, of course. Of course. So, are
Yes,
you
yes.
introvert person? Yeah, extrovert person?
Sometimes I feel like that I'm introvert. Sometimes I feel it is totally depending on the surrounding
Okay.
environment. Sometimes I feel like that no, I'm very introvert, especially when I meet with new people.
Mm-hmm.
But if I am with my known person, so here they in this way, I am very extrovert person. I
Okay.
love enjoying doing gossiping and talking with the people in group. I enjoyed a lot.
Okay.
Yes. What
I
about
see.
you?
I'm totally introvert person because even in my native language, I also in means introvert person. I never express my thought easily in front of others, especially in a stranger person. But through this language, now I am become extrovert person, and I try
Yes.
to comfort zone, step out my comfort zone. So now I do this.
Yes, yes. You are little bit extroverts. That is why you think about that now. No, I have to just for enhance my communication skills. I have to go through, and in this way, I will be become extrovert as well.
Mm.
So yeah, this is very great platform where you reached.
Yeah, because the extra hat has their own benefit, big
Yes,
benefit.
absolutely.
So,
Yeah.
so I also try to that become an extrovert person.
Yeah, definitely. That's
Yeah,
great.
sure.
So how long have you been learning this language?
I have been learning this language 6 months. First 4 months, I never try to speak. I never miss utter any word. But after that, I
Mm-hmm.
realize whenever I start speaking practice, first of all I install the CV application. I try to attend the first call, but I suddenly cut the call because I have no idea
Yeah.
how to speak, and I also fear and hesitate how to speak. After that, I little bit try to speak in a CV application, and 4 months after I realize if I never try to speak, so I never achieve my fluency. So after
Mm-hmm.
1 2 months I start speaking through CV application, as fluency application, and after that I join one WhatsApp group. After that I start audio call through practice with my friends, and 1 week ago I started join audio call through this YouTube.
Yeah. Yes, yes, video
This is
call.
my journey.
Yes, yes. Speaking come from speaking. If you feel like that, no, firstly I will learn grammar, do writing part, reading part, and then after I will start speaking. So in
Yeah,
this way you will lack yourself. But from the first day you start speaking, whatever you know, doesn't matter if you know about full sentences, then you will speak. So it will not work. If you know at least one word, just try to speak,
yeah, of
because
course.
in this way your mouth is open and you day by day you will become fearless. So that is why speaking is very must if you want to speak and if you want to fluent speaker in this language. So first day you have to speak, and yes, similar with that you have to do writing part, and if you are not doing reading part it's enough, but writing part, listening and speaking, it's a
Yeah,
very important, because whenever you are doing writing part, so in this way you have a time that what I have to do right, and you have a time for your grammar mistake where you are doing mistakes as well. So in this way you learn. But after that, when you start shadowing practice, whatever you start to speak in front of mirror and anywhere. So in this way your mouth is also open. So this is also very beneficial. And
Yeah.
yes, and when you are talk with learners, so definitely you will become fearless, gain confidence. So
Yeah,
day
of
by
course.
day it is increase, and you will enhance your communication skills. And it is very important
Yeah,
whenever
of
you are
course.
going anywhere. If you don't have good communication skill, so then you feel like I don't know about anything, feel like that something illiterate. So
Yeah,
that
of
is
course.
why we should have to good communication skill as well.
I totally resonate with you, dear, because I know all the things, and I always says that we should not perfection. We used to English to express our thought only.
Yes, yes, absolutely. Mistakes are also the part of
Our life.
learning.
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
It is
If we do
editable. Yeah, of course.
yes, yes, yes.
Mm,
So that is why don't wait the perfect day, just start first day.
right. Yeah, of course.
Then you will one day you will become a perfect.
Yeah, yeah, of course.
Do you live in Gujarat?
Yeah, of course. I live in Gujarat. Mhm.
Okay, so do you live in joint family or nuclear family?
Now I live in a nuclear family. Mhm.
Okay, and
Okay.
I live in joint family. So if
Okay.
I'm asking to you what is the difference between nuclear family and joint family, so what
Yeah.
about your opinion?
Yeah, of course. It is. It has the own benefit, and so first of all, I talk about nuclear family. If you live in a nuclear family, so you get extra time for yourself. But it has the another part. If I say the another part, if you have small children, sometimes you have under the weather, so that time you always miss your family members because no one take care to her. You have to do all the things. If you have good or not, you have another weather, so you have to done all the things alone. So it is
Hmm.
so the both are one opinion. If you live in joint family, so you sacrifice a lot. You live according to other lives, according to other timetables. You don't do anything whatever you want to do. First of all, you think
Hmm.
other family members. After that, you do your things. So and if you have small children, so your family member also supported to her and take care her baby, and you whatever you do, you want to do you otherwise, if you have to know educated, so you go outside and do also prefer a job. So
Yes, yes, yes.
it is like
Yeah,
a coin.
yes, yes. Nuclear family, you will get more privacy as compared to joint family.
Right.
And when we live in a joint family, so there are many relations, they live together.
Live together.
So here we can take advantage. And yeah, if you don't get privacy, so in this way it is become little bit misunderstand. It's a little bit misunderstanding as well. But yeah, there are many benefit if you are live in joint family, because especially for kid, all the times you are take care your kids. So in this way kid and parents, they both are become irritate.
Right.
So you live in joint family, so your kid go outside and play with other family members. So in this way you feel very relaxed as well. But yeah, if you don't have much time for doing yourself, so in this way you feel also irritate,
Yeah.
which we have more privacy in nuclear family.
Mhm.
But somewhere you feel like that if I have some elders, so definitely I will do something and my family member, they will take care. So it is totally depending on situation. Somewhere we feel like no, nuclear family is better, sometimes we feel like no, joint family is better. So
Yeah.
it is totally depending on situation.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, of course.
Hmm.
So what daily practice help you to speak English confidently?
What?
Daily practice helped you speak English confidently.
Okay, daily practice. Like, first of all, I'm going with listening part. It is very helpful when we are, it is, you don't have to give more effort yourself. Whatever you are doing, like household chores, whatever you are doing. So in this way, listening is come in our comfort zone. And in a listening part, doesn't matter, you have to listen actively. If you
Mhm.
are listening passively, so it will also work. And then after you have to speak with your learners, co-learners. So in this way you will get confidence and learn more and more. You will learn whatever you listen, you start try to speak those words, those sentences as well.
Okay.
When we are doing learn something like and new vocabulary, new sentence structure, so whenever you are talking with learners, so in this way you will get opportunity to use those sentences and vocabulary. So I'm doing this thing, and day by day, I feel like that now I am improving myself. And especially to connect on video calls, so it is also very beneficial because in this way we have to totally focus and talk. We don't, in this way we don't have anything here and there. But audio call, it is also like come in comfort zone, like whenever we are talking on audio call. So similar with doing household chores, we don't have to look ourselves that how I'm looking. Firstly I have to prepare myself and then talk. Not at all. But on video call we have to prepare ourselves.
Yeah.
So that is why it's take time. If you have a time, so just go on video call, but if you don't have much time, so just go on audio call.
Okay. So someone who starts their journey, they are the beginner. So what is the best way to improve fluency for beginner?
You are talking about my beginning time.
Not This you give the advice of a beginner who start their
Hmm.
journey.
How to start the journey for beginner?
Please give some advice what should do they.
Okay, okay, okay. So, firstly, you have to listen with lyrics. Just go start reading like kid books,
Mm-hmm.
like 4, 5 standards books. You start reading and you listen cartoon with lyrics
Mm-hmm.
and start try to speak as well. Learn like, and also learning with shadowing practice, because in this way your mouth will open and you will, it's a kind of exercise as well. And slowly and gradually you start pick all the words and sentences, and it is come your mouth, comfort zone, naturally it is come in your mouth naturally. So
Mm-hmm.
you have to go through with cartoons, kid books, and start reading and speaking, and whatever you have, just start speak. And then after slowly and gradually come in audio call, and as well as you have to do listening part more and more. And whenever you are come in audio call, so you lost your fears and you will become a confidence. So for beginners it is very beneficial if you are going in this way.
Yeah,
What
of
about
course.
your opinion?
Yeah, of course. I also say that I would say that first start with listening. Try to listen as possible as whenever you do your work, simultaneously you also put your Bluetooth and start listening practice. Whenever you
Hmm.
listen something, so you have to input in your mind, after then you give
Hmm.
the output, because listening and reading is the input and writing and speaking is the output. So if you have to
Hmm.
first input, then you give the output. So you should first start to listening as much as possible, because you have listened something, so you have the knowledge and you have the know how to give the answer if someone
Hmm.
asks the question. So first
Hmm.
start with listening, and after that whatever you have any ideas, start speak. Not a perfection, you don't need to perfection. Please start
Hmm.
with a little bit English and little bit your native language. You have it is okay, you first you speak a broken English, so it is
Hmm.
okay. After that first, but you need to stay, you need to try to comfort step out your comfort zone. Until you
Mm,
never
yes.
try to speak, you not achieve any level. So
Yeah.
first listening, and after that starting speaking, read
Speaking.
out loud. So whenever you read out loud,
Yes.
you habitual to make, and also your mouth muscle also improve, and it is habitual to speak. So speak out loud, and because speaking out loud, you improve your pronunciation also.
Yes.
Yeah, of
Yes.
course. So speaking out loud, and also do shadowing practice. Shadowing practice is also important. With shadowing practice and repetition practice, you improve your mouth muscles, and pronunciation, and motto sentence structure you also improve, and you also focus on article preposition. So it is this practice is very important in a initial stage.
Yes, yes. And you know when you are going to read book, so in this way you read loudly. So
Yeah,
in this way you will get good, wonderful pronunciation. You will able that you will observe yourself that I'm read in good pronunciation or not.
yeah, right.
So in this way you will get and observe yourself.
Yeah.
So read loudly is very also very important
Yeah, of course.
as
Nowadays we
compared
have
to.
the AI tool, ChatGPT, Gemini.
Yes,
You use lot,
yes.
because nowadays I use a lot ChatGPT and Gemini.
Yeah, it
Whenever
is
I
very
have
helpful
any
for
question,
learners.
any query, I go through the ChatGPT and Gemini, and I ask all these
Yes,
things. And I would total I miss frequently give the answer. So it is easy to solve the all the query.
yes.
So
And you know, from this Chat GPT and AI, we don't have need any tutor.
yeah, of course, any tutor, we don't miss how to paid any class. If you have the
Yes,
potential, if you have the capability, so you can do whatever you want to do in a free. Um,
yes, yes.
yeah,
Yeah. From the AI, it's totally depending on person to person that
sure.
they are take advantage or not.
Yeah, of course, because it has the advantage and disadvantage. So it is
Yes,
totally
both of
you
them.
how to use
Yes,
this.
yes.
Yeah, of course.
And if
I
today we are connected just because of we are learning from the AI and then
yeah,
start using all the words, sentences, all the things.
yeah,
So
of
it is
course.
very helpful as
Yeah,
compared to go outside and learn.
yeah.
We didn't learn anything.
Yeah, of course. If you have homemaker, personally for homemaker, if you have homemaker, if you have children's little, and if you have the responsibility of other family members, you don't need to go outside. You
Yes.
stay at your home, and you learn all the things whatever you have to learn and achieve at your stay home.
Home. Yes, yes, absolutely. Just because of these technologies, we don't have need to go outside and learn something, go
Yeah,
to
of
tutor.
course.
But
Because
yeah, in this
yeah,
way you need to dedication. If you have a
yeah,
dedication, if you are
yeah,
really passionate about to learning, so definitely you will learn stay at home. But you know, if you are not dedicated person, but somehow you have to learn. So in this have you need a tutor because when you
yeah,
join any tutor, so in this way you feel that I paid money, so I have to go
yeah,
and
of
I have to
course.
learn. Otherwise, it is become waste of money. So
Yeah.
that is why you will go and do.
Yeah, of
And
course, I totally
and
resonate
if
with
you are
you.
not dedication, if you are not not dedicative person, so you can't learn from this AI. You feel that tomorrow I will learn, tomorrow I will learn, and that day will never ever will become.
Yeah,
So
of course.
dedication is also important.
Yeah, dedication is also important, and I also said no one teach you to how to speak. If you have to, first you have to put your efforts, your dedication, your
Yes.
time, your blood, your sweat, because only you tutor only gives you advice how to speak, but you have to step out your comfort zone, and you have to put your efforts, dedication. After that, you speak. So you
Mm-hmm.
always maintain your consistency, you have to patience, and you do your so best. After that you can do.
Yes, from YouTube you can learn anything.
Yeah, of course.
Yes,
Without not it
because
possible.
you know, editing, thumbnail, how to make. We all are learn from only YouTube.
Yeah, of course. I also say my one last 1 weeks I start learning means how to
And what is
edit. What
what
is
is the name of your channel?
sign with Vikita?
Oh, okay, okay, okay. That's
Okay.
great.
Okay. So, have you
Okay,
any question?
now no, I we should have to wrap up this session now.
Okay, so I also have to go to school to pick up my son. So now
Hmm.
I wrap up the session.
Yes,
Nice
yes,
to
yes.
talk you, and I am elated to meet you. And it was
Yes, yes.
a insightful session. And I am always looking forward this type of session with you with a specific topic. You will time, so you will message me. And
Mm-hmm. Yeah, thank you so much for giving me your precious time. And
okay,
yeah, I feel very glad to connect with you. And thank you so much. And we will connect once again.
okay, okay. Bye bye.
Yes.
Have a nice
Bye
day.
bye. Take care. Nice talking with you.